So with that presentation, then we move to the fourth presentation. This is by Krishan Pereira on Khan Academy localization project on mathematics.
Wonderful afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, Professor Dias. I'm Krishan Pereira, here to present you the Khan Academy localization project. I'm sorry, the projector might not demonstrate the presentation properly. So let me talk about the presentation, the Khan Academy localization project initiation. Asian Development Bank, supporting the mathematics education in Sri Lanka, launched a program called TA7872 to strengthen the mathematics education in Sri Lanka in year 2002. So with that, we have started two projects, one called Math Cloud and Khan Academy localization project. So today, we are going to discuss about the Khan Academy localization project. Khan Academy is a world-renowned mathematics and science learning platform enabled with videos, allowing children and adults all over the world to learn voluntarily and freely without any barriers. So localizing these mathematics videos, we realized that in Sri Lanka, we have facilities for mathematics education plus some drawbacks. So talking about the current mathematics education and our vision, in Sri Lanka, it was recorded that 2013, 57.23% was pass rate was 57.23%, and around 42% fail from mathematics subject in GCE O levels. And that result, they can't participate in GCE A levels, plus they can't enter into state employment. And we realized that the infrastructure for ICT, it's rapidly developing in Sri Lankan education system, but compared to that, the contents for mathematics are not up to the level expectations. So our primary vision was to support the Sri Lanka's mathematics department of Ministry of Education to get 75% mathematics pass rate by 2016 in GCE O levels, and also to come up with a video repository from grade 3 to 13 to a fully fledged video repository to cover the entire topic list from grade 3 to 13. And also to come up with a solution not limited to internet, because we can't wait for the last mile connectivity. So this is a project where you can work on internet, offline, or with a projector, and you can simply integrate with the teaching learning process in Sri Lankan education system without any limitations with technology. And finally, to do an impact study on e-learning in a school system. Like, we have contents, we have technology, but very limited studies had been undertaken by research parties and organizations. So we thought of implementing realistically these videos or e-learning platforms and see the feedback from students, teachers, and to share this information with necessary departments for future improvements. So talking about the process of localization, I consider it as a machine. And we had hired the main component of the machine, that is National Institute of Education. And we got Khan Academy videos from US. And initial step was getting English videos and mapped with our curriculum. So we started mapping the Khan Academy videos with the curriculum, and there we got the support from Khan Academy advocates, plus the Asian Development Bank education specialist, and I would like to specifically mention that the Ministry of Education ICT branch, as well as the mathematics branch. And soon after the content mapping, we decide what to be voice-over dubbed, what videos can be mapped directly and what can be voice-over dubbed. And also, we started localizing the voice-over dubbing part. We didn't do the voice-over dubbing or the translation. We start localizing them, getting local examples, but we did the voice-over dubbing. For the missing curriculum topics, we did new video developments, and new video developments also had completed for grade 3 to 13, along with the localization of voice-over dubbing. And there was a rigorous quality check at localization plus the new video developments, and thereafter there will be a subject approval from National Institute of Education. They had a committee, a mathematics steering committee, and they endorse each and every video that is suitable to be used within the school education system. And thereafter we integrated these videos into a book called Map Book, And for each grade, there will be 13 MacBooks, in addition to the teacher instructor manual hereafter from 2015. And finally, we uploaded these videos into YouTube channel and certain other applications which I'll be discussing later. And this process happened continuously for all grade 3 to 13. And thereafter, we switched to the impact study mode. There we started with Ministry of Education. We started training provincial, zonal level, and then we switched to schools. And schools, we had students to access this. So talking about the output, these are the number of videos we had developed already per grade, number of videos. And this is the local interface for Khan Academy, and this can be accessed through cloud also. And we have strengthened the Khan Academy Sinhala channel. This is not limited to mathematics, but we have integrated mathematics videos here. And finally, we have launched a YouTube channel for mathematics department of National Institute of Education. Talking about the impact evaluation, we had selected randomly 20 schools out of 3 provinces in Sri Lanka, namely Western, Central, and Southern. And we had given the opportunity to students, 1,400 plus students, to access these contents regularly with their learning curriculum. And we had trained 40 plus mathematics teachers plus 40 plus ICT teachers, and 12 content developers plus 250 staff members through NIE to strengthen the mathematics program. So these are the project outputs. We have one standalone version that can be used in PC base. You can simply install it and use it. And we have a local server version. If a school has a local area network, they can assign one PC as a local server, and they can utilize this video platform. And there's a cloud-based version, which I have shared in my book also. You can switch to that URL and see the cloud-based version. And 2 YouTube channels, one from National Institute of Education and one from Khan Academy side, and 13 map books from grade 3 to 30. So this is a team effort. So I would like to share my team members also. So it's a big list to talk, but still I thought of allocating a slide would be good enough to show my gratitude. So that's all. Thank you very much.